In addition to bringing our clinical skills and our patient population, Providence will be bringing specific laboratory skills to this network. For example, we have internationally recognized work done in flow cytometry, which is a special way of examining the immune cells that come from patients and their tumors that is rather novel and not available at every other place in the country. What this allows us to do is to stain cells with antibodies that have different targeted markers on the surface that turn colors when they're hit by a laser. We take the patient's cells, we run them through the machine. When the laser light hits them, they turn different colors, and we are then able to understand what happened in the patient after the immunotherapy. We can determine what populations of cells have been activated, which populations have been suppressed, and by performing those kinds of studies, we'll be able to understand better how the therapy worked, or perhaps why it didn't work, and design better trials the next time around.
Another part that really sets us apart is some of the technology that we've been able to use through the generosity of some of the foundations in Portland, which is really very incredibly helpful. And then we also have expertise here that is expert at using this equipment. And what that's allowed us to do is it's allowed us to be recognized nationally as one of the centers that's the best in the world at doing this. It also gives us this idea of being able to look at a blood sample of a patient and pull out a patient's cancer cells and pull it off from any blood sample and look at that and see whether or not that's changed before or after treatment. That was another part of why we were selected, and that's what we'll be doing for all the patients nationally on this study.